Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One and my old barn door, and I have some happy mail to share with you and some news about a live sale that I'm thinking about doing. So first off, my sweet friend Cheryl Reimer, she bought one of my farm folios, and by the way, I only have one left, so if you want a farm folio, go grab it because it's the last one. But anyways, she wanted to send me a thank you gift, and I thought that was the sweetest thing ever. And so she wanted to send me some happy mail, so I gave her my address. And I just think that is so precious. I just love that thought. Anyway, I'm not going to go on and on because I'll start crying, and y'all know how I am. I'm weepy and I'm sappy. But anyways, look at this cute pig. I covered up addresses with washi tape, but look at the cute pig sticker that she sent to me on my package. So I've just cut the package open. I haven't peeked. So let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness, y'all. She sent me a journal. I think it's a folio journal. I'm so excited. Oh, that was a staple, not tape. I'm such a dork. Oh my goodness. Cheryl, how stinking sweet of you. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another staple. Let's see. There we go. You got it. Look. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's look at this one first. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that little pig charm? I'm in love with the pig charm. And look at how cool this is. Oh my gosh, it's got pigs on it. You had me at oink oink. Oh, I love that so much. Oh, that's so stinking cute. Look at that. What a great idea. And she's got a little yo-yo at the top there. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I'm using that for a bookmark. That is so adorable. Look at the pig stamp. Okay, let's see. This has her address and phone number. So let me see if I can find a way to Okay, so her shop is Ruffled Sow Paper Sigh. I don't know if she has a shop or if that's just her business name. I think it's her business name. Her email is pigswing1997@yahoo.com. What I'll do instead of showing this, but I do absolutely love this card. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to cover up her address and stuff and phone number. But look how stinking cute that card is. And it says it's a muddied quagmire of paper crafts and handmade junk journals. I love that so much. That is adorable. And then look at the back of her card. It's got the doilies on it. How stinking cute is that? Oh my goodness. I love that so much. Look at this pig stamp. I love the pig stamp. I think Cheryl loves pigs, but I love pigs too. Look, she sent me some pretty fabric squares. Look at how gorgeous those are. Let's just look. Oh my goodness. These give me a very vintage vibe. They almost remind me of feed sack fabric, and I love that so much. Very, very pretty. Cheryl, thank you so much for sharing these with me. I love those. They're awesome. Okay. Oh, yay. I get a card. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look. She has made a handmade card. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, my goodness. It's like a little Holly Hobby girl with a D. Oh, Cheryl. Okay. You're going to make me cry. Stop. Look, I love that so much. Okay, hang on, I'm going to read my card. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you. She says, "Hi, Diane. A little token for you in appreciation for all you share. I purchased one of your 20 folios you made before heading out to redo your gifted RV. It wasn't gifted. I have to pay for it, but it's still mine, so I'm excited. I loved this folio so much, I made a feeble attempt to duplicate yours without finding a tutorial." Okay, well, there's nothing feeble about this beauty. I'm going to go ahead and say that. Please enjoy this one. I'm still learning every day, but wanted to share. Thanks ever so. Be blessed in all you pursue, Cheryl. That is an absolute, look how pretty the inside of the card is. Isn't that gorgeous with the dragonflies? I love how this is paper, but she's added these dragonfly stickers, little dragonfly stamp. That's so pretty. I love this so much. I can't wait. I'm going to start trying to work on, actually, I have my friend's journal sitting right here because I want to start trying to work in it a little bit more this week if I have time to. That's always the problem, is the time. So that's going to go in my friend's journal. Thank you so much. And I might even use this bag in there. Oh my goodness. Definitely going to use this in there. Okay, wait. Okay, let's look through this gorgeous, gorgeous journal. Look at that. I love the way she put the little bead on the lace that's wrapped around. This is beautiful, Cheryl. I don't know why you have called this a feeble attempt, because this is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So the lace wraps around. I love the lace that she's used on there. So very pretty. And then look at this gorgeous, it's like a butterfly, dragonfly person, like a fairy. That is so pretty. I love it. And then she's got the butterfly paper for the background. Love the pinks. Y'all know I love my pinks. Look at the cute little butterfly sticker. Hey, that's a great idea. I'm not have to scrap lift that from you, Cheryl. See? You can always get ideas from someone else's work. Okay, so she has the pocket here in the front. It says, and then I've got some journaling cards. One rose is enough for the dawn. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. How cute is this? It's a little teeny tiny sack, and it's got a guest check in it, a tiny guest check. That is adorable. I love that so much. So stinking cute. And then I have another journaling card. Ooh, ooh, she knows I love texture. This one feels so cool. Can y'all see that? And then I got this cool little mason jar notes. This would be cute in the camper too. Oh my goodness. You're invited to a party. Oh, it's a Scentsy thing. Do you do Scentsy? Because I love Scentsy. My best friend used to sell Scentsy, and she has recently stopped selling it, but her daughter has started. But oh my goodness, I constantly have Scentsy burners going in my house. Love them. This is so stinking pretty. I love this. Look, you have a paper doily. And then you have this very pretty butterfly paper. Ooh, I like that it's lined on the back. And an old ledger. This paper has a good feel to it. Oh, how cool is that? I love that. I love her little cluster here with the owl and the stamp. And the music paper. Tracing paper. We love that crinkle. Oh, look at this sweet little bunny. I'm going to take this off. Look at how cute that little paper clip is. Oh, and this folds over the page. How cute is that? That is so pretty. I love that. Ooh, and I love the pink paper. Love me some pink paper. A little, I think that's like a butterfly stamp. Lined paper. Oh, how cool. It's from a phone book. That's so neat. And a receipt. And then look at this. I love how she took this little page and she made a little, look at that pretty pocket. How pretty is that? Let me see if I can pull this out. I'm a little bit stuck. Y'all know me and my struggle. I love this. I love this so much with the ad from Kmart. That's so stinking cute. Love the green. Green is, I'm just so drawn to green right now. That's a vintage paper. Ooh, and vintage workbook. I love that. Oh, look how pretty she did the center. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I love that. That fabric feels so yummy. Very pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at that cool sticker. Oh, she hid me some money in there. I don't know why I love that, but I do. Hey, it's just the idea of, you know, it brings back childhood memories and getting to play games. Look how pretty that is with that little fairy. Well, I love that green cheesecloth she's got behind there. Very pretty. Cheryl, this is so, so sweet of you. Oh, I love how she did this and made, like she tore this off of an envelope. It's from 1966, and she made a little tuck with it. Aww. She gave me a Scrabble card with my initial. How cool is that? Look at that little bunny's face. Y'all, how stinking cute is he? I love that so much. I know, I probably say I love something 100 million times on video. But I do, I love it. She gave me this beautiful napkin here with the butterflies and the magnolias, which I love. I was just talking to my husband the other day. We've been going walking a lot because he's had some health problems over the last couple of weeks. And so if you're a praying person, if you could lift him up in prayer, I would greatly appreciate it, because I've kind of had my hands full with him. He's having some problems with his sugar being extremely high. And so I've been making him go walk every day, and we're trying to exercise and get our health better. But we saw the magnolia trees, and I was excited because they were blooming, because that's one of my favorite trees I love the magnolia blooms. Look at how pretty this butterfly is. Someday I will change the world. I love the way she put that little cluster together. Look how sweet they are. Oh my goodness, those faces. Oh, look at the kitty cat. How stinking cute is he? Is he a kitty cat? Or a tiger maybe? I think they leave it to your imagination. He's adorable. Oh, I love this. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, I love this a lot. I might have to scan that one. Oh, that's neat. Oh, I love the labels. These are sweet. Thank you so much. Look at how pretty this is. I love her little label there on it, and it's like a flip open, and it's a little pocket here. High Style Designs. That might be a clothing tag. Super cute. I love using things like that in my journals. And then she's made me a little booklet here for extra journaling. How adorable is that? I love that so much. Yes, I love it. And I love just adding the little labels. I think those are, I don't know if those are Tracy Fox or Artie Mays. I know a lot of people are doing those digitally on their channels now. So thank you so much, Cheryl. This is just absolutely precious. And to know that you made this for me is just, well, there's just no words. And I'm not going to keep going, because I'll be squally sappy again. So I just want to say, you made a wonderful, oh wait, there's a folio in the back. I forgot about that. Oh, look at the pretty wallpaper. Cheryl, this is beautiful. You did an excellent job on this. Look at this pocket here. Oh my goodness, she stuffed it with beautiful, beautiful butterfly things. Oh, love that tag. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. And I love the little meal check. This is really cool. Government service meal check. And then you get a flash card. And then look at this sweet little bag. And my love for, oh, I love this so much. That is so pretty. I love little memos and stationery like that. So very pretty. I love it so much. Now I'm going to have a hard time picking and choosing which one to take to the camper, but I can use them both at the camper, because I had another friend who sent me a beautiful, beautiful journal, and so I'm probably going to take it and this one both and let people sign them. Look how pretty these pockets are. I love the way she did this, and look, she has just stuffed it with all kinds of goodies for me. I love the way that feels. It's embossed. Beautiful. Go fish. Oh, I love the parrot. And then another sweet little bag with a tag in it. I love the jute. Very, very pretty. Cheryl, you did a beautiful job on this journal. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Sorry, Gracie's barking at the mailman. Farm Folios are sitting on my porch, and he's picking them up now. So if you got one of the newer Farm Folios, it's on its way to you now. Look how pretty. Oh, I love that so much. And I love the way she put the little string there and made it a tag. I love these. Oh, I love that green memo paper. So very pretty. He is so stinking adorable. Oh, how cute. Cheryl, you did an amazing job on this. Thank you so, so much. I cannot tell you thank you enough. This is just wonderful, and I cannot wait. My sister loves these, and I can't wait to show it to her. So thank you, thank you, thank you. What a wonderful, wonderful gift, and it will definitely be treasured, and it will be traveled because it's going to go to the camper. How very pretty. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to let y'all know I'm thinking about doing a live sale tomorrow, just like a pop-up live sale. I have a lot of consignment booth journals that are just sitting on my bookshelf, and I thought what I would do. I think what's happening is once I show them and people go and take a peek or whatever, they forget about them, because I have a lot of people who have favorited them, and I don't know if maybe just forgot to go back and get them, or, you know, we get sidetracked and we forget to do, you know, we forget to go back and get things or whatever. And so I have 2 bookshelves full of journals that have expired in my listings. Well, it's not 2 bookshelves of expired journals, but anyway. So I thought what I would do is just do like a live pop-up sale tomorrow, and maybe just do it as an auction and just auction off each journal, so that at least these ladies can make a little bit of money, and y'all can have one more opportunity at some really, really beautiful journals. So if that's something y'all would be interested in, leave it in the comment below and let me know so that I can get it set up. My hubby's working late tomorrow night. It's his late day. And so I thought that would be the perfect time to go ahead and do, like, you know, a little pop-up sale. And I think I'm just going to auction off each journal and give you the opportunity to grab one, because there are some beautiful, beautiful journals just sitting there for people to love. So anyways, let me know in the comments if that's something that you would be interested in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos if you will, please, because it does help. And Cheryl, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for this wonderful, beautiful gift. It will definitely be treasured, and I'm very, very grateful for your thoughtfulness and your kindness. You guys go check out Cheryl. I'll put off her information in the comment box below, or the description box below. And I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.